Hi everybody, this is Nicole Hines and I want to show you how to use Google Slides and TallTweets to make a GIF or a GIF. Okay, I'm in my Google Drive and I already have a folder made that I want to put my project in. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to open up a new slide presentation. And I always put a line through the things that I want to delete because Google Slides will have text boxes preloaded on the slides. I'm not going to use those. And then the second thing I do is I always go over here to page setup and I make this slide the size that I want my finished product to be. And I'm going to go 8 by 8 just so I get a nice square big enough for me to work in. And I'm going to name this jiggling keys. Okay, I have a set of keys I've already worked on in another set of slides. They're right here, and they have the Home Smart logo in them. So I'm going to use those keys, and I'm going to make them jiggle for a little GIF to put on social media. So let me copy this. Let's go over to my new slides. Let's put the keys in. And let's see if I'm gonna play around with size a little bit. If I take my mouse and I go to the corner, I will get a double arrow. And if I stretch that, I am stretching the item evenly, both length and width at the same time, so that I can keep its proportions. Now I want to see what happens when I turn it. I don't want to go outside of the original box. Let's turn it this way. I think that will work just fine. I probably could go even just a little bit bigger because I want to get the most bang for my buck here. Yeah, I'm not going to jiggle it that far. Okay, let's try this. Let's go undo. There we go. Okay, so there's the keys. And I think I'm going to leave the background white. Let's see how that looks. Now we're going to duplicate a couple of slides. You just go right over here, you right click on the slide and you hit duplicate. And let's try 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do 2 more. And then I'll think about this, how I want it. Okay, so the first slide is going to be with the item in regular position. The second slide, and I have, this is a separate little box in here, the writing. So I have to make sure I highlight all of it to grab it all to move. If you just have one image, see I have an image in an image, so it's little there. Okay, I turned it there. Now I'm going to go to this slide, which it's hard to see the difference. There we go. Now you can see it. And let's turn this one a little bit the other direction. Like that. So now I've got one going this way, one going that way. I am going to copy these 2 slides. You highlight the slides that you want to copy by holding down the control key. You do it again. This slide, hit control, and then take another slide, right click, copy. Go down here, I get a yellow line in between the slides, and I am going to paste another set of slides in, and I'm going to paste another set here. And now let's see how many we have in the solid position. I think I'm going to add 2 more there because I wanted to pause. How can I explain it? Like it stopped. So I have a bunch of slides with it in the one position, like like slide number 1. So slide number 1, we're going to call this position 1. Position 2 is it slides to the right. Position 3 is it slides to the left. So then it goes right, left, right, left, right, left. And then I think these are all just in the position number 1. So there's like a pause, like it'll jiggle and then pause. Okay, so now that I've got my slides the way that I want them, and I'm happy with that, I am going to go and open another browser because for some reason TallTweets won't open up in my Chrome browser, even though it's designed to work with Google Slides. So I've tried different fixes. I can't fix it, so I'm just going to work around it. And I'm going to Microsoft Edge and I'm opening TallTweets.com. And when I go to TallTweets.com, it should have a box down here under TallTweets Classic that says Select Presentation. I believe this is already linked to my account because there is my picture up in the upper right corner. So I've done it enough times that it knows who I am. I'm going to click Select Presentation. This program can access my Google Slides, and I'm going to click on Jiggling Keys. Hit Select, and it's going to load my slides right into this program. I have the pictures in the order that I want them, so I don't have to worry about any order, but I will have to work on the timing. And it's taken a little bit to connect. There we go. There's my keys. Now, image, GIF image, width in pixels. I don't need to worry about that. It'll make it just the width I have here. I'm going to go slide duration. And when you're making a GIF, a second would be too long of a pause between each image. So usually go to a percentage of a second. So I'm going to go 0.20. The sequence of slides I do not have to worry about because, like I said, the slides are already in the order that I want them. So all I had to do here was select the duration of the slide, and then I'm going to hit Create GIF. Let's see what happens. And I think I want that even a little bit faster. So I am going to hit Change. Nope, the wrong button. I don't need to hit Change. I just need to go over here. And let's try 0.10 of a second. See how fast that is. I'm going to try 15. I think I like 10 better. Let me try 10 again. $15. Okay, I think I like 15, but I want the pause to be longer. So I'm going to shrink this. I'm going to go back to my slide program. I'm going to go to these bottom slides, and I'm going to select, by holding my control button, 4 of the slides all in the same position. So I selected 10 through 13 on my screen. Put a yellow line there, hit paste. So I've added more slides to make the pause longer. I think that's all I want to do there. Okay, so let's go back over to that other window. And we are going to hit change because I've changed the slideshow. So I want to reselect the slideshow so that it takes the changes with it. You know, it brings those changed slides into this program. And let's try this. And I think I like that. So now I'm going to hit the save button. And I've created this GIF. Let me, it's in my download folders, it says. Okay, so that's great. Let's go look at it in downloads real quick here. There it is. And I like it. That'll get attention. Okay, I'm going to close this. That's all I wanted to show you today, how to use Google Slides and TallTweets.com to make a GIF or a GIF. Okay, have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.